A 1 to A2 restaurant vocabulary, 30 words.
Restaurant, a place where people eat food.
Example, we are at a restaurant. Table, a place where you sit and eat. Example, this table is nice. Chair, something you sit on. Example, this chair is comfortable. Menu, a list of food and drinks. Example, can I see the menu? Waiter, a man who brings food in a restaurant. Example, the waiter is friendly. Waitress, a woman who brings food in a restaurant. Example, the waitress is helpful. Order, to ask for food or drinks. Example, I want to order soup. Food, things people eat. Example, the food is good. Drink, something people drink. Example, I want a cold drink. Water, a clear drink. Example, can I have water please? Coffee, a hot drink. Example, I want coffee after lunch. Tea, a hot drink made with leaves. Example, she wants tea. Soup, hot liquid food. Example, the soup is warm. Salad, cold vegetables. Example, I want a salad. Chicken, meat from a chicken. Example, I like chicken. Rice, small white food often eaten with meat. Example, chicken and rice please. Fish, food from the sea or river. Example, the fish is delicious. Bread, food made from flour. Example, can we have bread? Dessert, sweet food after a meal. Example, I want dessert. Cake, a sweet dessert. Example, this cake is very good. Bill, paper that shows how much you pay. Example, can we have the bill? Pay, to give money. Example, I will pay by card. Cash, paper money or coins. Example, I have cash. Card, a bank card for paying. Example, can I pay by card? Tip, extra money for good service. Example, let's leave a tip. Hungry, wanting food. Example, I am hungry. Thirsty, wanting a drink. Example, I am thirsty. Delicious, very good to eat. Example, the food is delicious. Spicy, hot taste in food. Example, this soup is spicy. Sweet, like sugar. Example, the cake is sweet.
A 1 to A2 restaurant real conversation. Speakers, Lauren and Jeff. Jeff, I am hungry.
Me too. Let's go to a restaurant.
Good idea. This restaurant looks nice.
Yes, and it is not too busy.
Let's go inside.
Hello, table for two, please.
The waiter says we can sit here.
This table is good.
Yes, and this chair is comfortable.
I like this place already.
Wait, you only sat down.
I know, but I trust the chair.
Very funny. Can I see the menu?
Here is the menu.
Thank you. There are many foods here.
I want chicken and rice.
That sounds good.
What do you want?
Maybe soup and salad?
Soup and salad? Very healthy.
Yes, I want to feel good after eating.
I want to feel full after eating.
Of course you do.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I want water.
I want water too. Maybe coffee later.
Coffee after dinner?
Yes, coffee is always a good idea.
For you, yes. For sleep, no.
Sleep can wait. Coffee cannot.
The waitress is coming.
Great, let's order.
Hello, can we order, please?
I would like chicken and rice.
I would like soup and salad.
And 2 waters, please.
Thank you.
The waitress is very friendly.
Yes, she is helpful.
I hope the food is delicious.
Me too.
Look, the bread is here.
Nice. Can we have some bread before the food?
Yes, I love bread.
You love everything.
Not everything. I don't love spicy food.
Really?
Yes, spicy food makes me cry.
Jeff, you cry when the internet is slow.
That is different. That is real pain.
Here comes the soup.
It smells good.
The soup is warm.
Is it spicy?
A little spicy.
Then it is dangerous soup.
It is not dangerous. It is just soup.
For you, maybe.
My salad is fresh.
And my chicken and rice look great.
Try it.
Wow, this chicken is delicious.
Good. My salad is good too.
Do you want some chicken?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Do you want dessert after this?
Maybe. What dessert do they have?
They have cake.
Cake sounds nice.
Cake always sounds nice.
Let's share one cake.
Share. That is a difficult word for me.
Jeff,
Okay, we can share.
the cake is here.
It looks sweet.
It is sweet and delicious.
Very good. This restaurant is great.
Yes, good food, good service, nice table.
Now we need the bill.
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Are we paying by cash or card?
I can pay by card.
I have some cash for the tip.
Good idea. The waitress was very nice.
Yes, let's leave a tip.
Today we learned many restaurant words.
Restaurant, table, chair, menu, waiter, waitress, order, food, drink, water.
Coffee, tea, soup, salad, chicken, rice, fish, bread, dessert, cake.
Bill, pay, cash, card, tip, hungry, thirsty, delicious, spicy, and sweet.
Great job.
My English is better, and my stomach is happy.
Perfect lesson.
Can every lesson have cake?
Maybe not every lesson.
Then this is my favorite lesson.
A 1 to A2 restaurant repeat sentences. Now, repeat these sentences. We are at a restaurant. This table is nice. This chair is comfortable. Can I see the menu? The waiter is friendly. The waitress is helpful. I want to order soup. The food is good. I want a cold drink. Can I have water, please? I want coffee after lunch. She wants tea. The soup is warm. I want a salad. I like chicken. Chicken and rice, please. The fish is delicious. Can we have bread? I want dessert. This cake is very good. Can we have the bill? I will pay by card. I have cash. Can I pay by card? Let's leave a tip. I am hungry. I am thirsty. The food is delicious. This soup is spicy. The cake is sweet. Excellent work. Repeat these sentences until your restaurant English feels easy and natural.